As we join the nation to celebrate the 75th year of India's independence, it is also important to learn and remind ourselves about the local history. It was in the year 1949 that the Khasi state's constitution making Darbar was inaugurated at Dinam Hall, Jayau on the 29th of April to facilitate debates and resolutions with regard to the political future of the Khasi states and the Khasi and Jainte Hills district as well. The former were independent or rather semi-independent native states, whereas the latter was part of the British territory, which automatically became part of the Dominion of India at the Declaration of India Independence on the 15th of August 1947. On this occasion, I would like to extract and read a speech of Professor R.R. Thomas, who was also the member of the Khasi State's Constitution making Darbar. Professor R.R. Thomas stated in his speech that there were two resolutions which were moved before the Khasi State's Constitution making Darbar. Number one, the direct central connection, or in other words, that a specific provision be inserted in the draft Constitution of India for the Khasi states and the Khasi and Jainte Hills district, so as to provide a direct relation with the Dominion of India. And the second proposal that was moved pertains to the connection with the Dominion of India under the provision of the 6th schedule. Further, let me extract and quote Professor R.R. Thomas' speech. This is our belief that no suzerain power will impose its laws on us without our consent. This is the meaning of parliamentary democracy. If the government of India wants to make laws for us, we need to have representatives in its legislature. Similarly, if Assam wants to make laws for us, we will not allow it to happen unless we are represented in the legislature. No representation, no legislation, Professor R.R. Thomas strongly argued. Professor R.R. Thomas was speaking in the context of the political future of the Khasi states as well as the Khasi and Jainte Hills district within the independent India. However, the idea of no representation, no legislation holds true till today. For democracy and the nation to survive, every voice should be heard. Therefore, on the equation of the 75th year of India's independence, let us reclaim democracy from the majority rule. Thank you.